Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to fix blurry Snapchat videos. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your mobile device. If you take a video from a Snapchat and it turns out to be blurry, first make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi connection. The next thing that you can do is make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. To do so, go ahead and exit Snapchat and open Play Store on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Type in Snapchat and tap on the search icon. Select Snapchat. If you have any updates available, go ahead and update your Snapchat. Sometimes if you have not updated your Snapchat, your video quality may be low. If updating your Snapchat doesn't help, you have to clear your cache data. To do so, open Snapchat settings on your mobile device. Tap on Force Stop at the bottom right of your screen. Select OK. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache at the bottom right of your screen. If you do this, your blurry Snapchat videos should be fixed. And that's it. This is how you fix blurry Snapchat videos. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.